In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Tag Manager on GoHighLevel sales funnels. Whether you're new to digital marketing or a seasoned professional, having Google Tag Manager integrated is a crucial step for any data-driven operation. It allows you to manage and deploy marketing tags like pixels or analytics code conveniently in one place without having to tinker individually with code every time. Let's jump right in and start setting things up. First off, we need to create a Google Tag Manager account. Begin by navigating to the Google Tag Manager website. Once you've landed there, look for the Create Account button and give it a click. Now go ahead and enter your account name. This should be something relevant to your business or the specific project you are working on. Next, select your country from the drop-down list. This ensures you're setting everything up with the correct geographical settings in mind. Next, it's time to make a selection for your target platform. Since our focus today is on sales funnels hosted on websites, choose Web. Now create your container. Think of this container as a virtual tool bag where all your tags will live. It's important to get this initial setup right, as everything hooks into this container. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, Google will provide you with some code to add to your GoHighLevel sales funnel. Now switch over to your GoHighLevel account. This is where we'll actually place the Google Tag Manager code within your funnel settings. Within GoHighLevel, navigate your way to the Settings menu where you'll find the option for Custom Code. Here, you're going to see two crucial slots for code insertion: the head tracking code and the body tracking code. These slots are where the Google Tag Manager snippets we generated earlier will be entered. Take the head tracking code supplied by Google Tag Manager and paste it into the corresponding slot in GoHighLevel. This code is responsible for initializing the tag management process within the header of your pages. It's basically telling your web page to load Google Tag Manager immediately. As for the body tracking code, paste it into the relevant section as well. This one helps catch instances where the header hasn't fully loaded, making sure your tags are still fired correctly, which can be especially important in browsers with specific settings or restrictions. Finally, with everything in place, you need to save and publish your funnel. Locate the Save button to commit the changes you've just made into the system. Publishing is the final step that ensures all this configuration goes live on your site. Think of it as hitting the Enter key after typing a long sentence. It sets everything into action and lets your tags start working their magic. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Google Tag Manager on your GoHighLevel sales funnels. Remember, having this setup allows you the flexibility to manage various marketing and analytics tags without delving deep into code every time. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more digital marketing insights. Thanks for tuning in.